The Liven App Review. Is it a legit or a scam platform? So Liven is marketed as a self-help mood tracking app, offering features like quizzes, wellness exercises, and an AI assistant aimed at improving mental well-being. So it's subscription-based with a trial period that automatically renews if not cancelled. So users can engage through exercises targeting issues like procrastinations, stress, and ADHD. So, what it offers is, or its pros is, hundreds of positive testimonials. According to some users, report that Living helped them understand and manage their emotions better. It also comes with occasional success stories. So, a few people have reported positive outcomes, and they have a stop and app store ratings of looking strong like around 4 plus stars. However, it comes with some cons. They have a widespread billing and subscription issues. So many users reported being charged after canceling their trials. It also has a difficult refund and weak support. They also have mixed gimmicky content, which is shallow and generic. They also have a strong Reddit criticism, and they have a pairing of positive and deeply negative reviews. So overall, is it legit? Well, yes, it exists and runs, and some people do benefit from its mood tracking and self-help features. But is it recommended? Well, no, it's risky. The app has a mixed reputation with widespread complaints about billing practices, poor refunds, and absubstantial content. So I don't recommend it.